and welcome back, students. I am your English Grammar Digital Mentor, and here I am with chapter number 9, Countable and Uncountable Nouns. So let's start. Let's read this starter. Look at the picture and read the following words. So students, you have given so many pictures. You have to observe it carefully and read the following words. We have given a picture of pens, next balloons, next balls, next bats, then books, and then pencils. We can count the above things using numbers like 3 books, 4 pens, 5 balloons, 2 bats, 2 balls, 2 pencils, etc. Suggest 5 more such nouns. As the example given, you can fill it by yourself. Now let's move forward. Nouns that we can count by using numbers are called countable nouns. Example, book, pen, friend, etc. ऐसे nouns जिनको हम numbers के through count कर सकते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Countable nouns. It's time to learn something new. So students, did you know? Countable nouns have both singular and plural forms. Moving next to part A. Now, look at the pictures and read the following given below. And read the words given below. Let's start reading water, ice, sand, milk, juice, oil. We cannot count the above things in numbers. So these nouns are called uncountable nouns. Nouns which cannot be counted in numbers are called uncountable nouns. Examples, water, oil, sand, milk, etc. Students, ऐसे nouns जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते numbers में उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Uncountable nouns. और examples आप देख सकते हैं milk. We cannot see that's a one milk. Okay, students, again it's time to learn something new. So, did you know uncountable nouns can only be spoken in a singular form? Moving towards to the part B, write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. Let's move forward. Students, you have given number of pictures and you have to write C or UC. Let's do that. At first, you are given a picture of glass filled with juice. It might be juice, right? So, we cannot count juice, so we will write UC. Next, we can clearly see in that second picture, we have given 2 things. So, we can count them, so we will write C. Again, at the third, we have given a picture of table and we can count it as 1, 2, 3. So, we will write C. Next, we have given a picture of book and we can clearly count books, so we will write C for that. Next, there is a doll and we can also count dolls. So, C would be here. Next, we have a picture of pen and we can clearly count pens. So, we will write C here. Next, we have given a picture of balloon and you well know that what would be right. Yes, that's C. Next, we have given a picture of kite. That's very fair to say that we will write C because it is countable. Next, we have given picture of milk filled in a cup, you can say, or jug. So we will write UC because we cannot count milk. Next picture, we can see that's a jug filled with water and we cannot count water. So UC is suitable here. Next, we have picture of lion and you can clearly count how many lions in this whole world. So we will write C. Next, we have given picture of badal, that is thunder, and you cannot count thunder like 1, 2, 3. So you will write UC. Next one. So as far as I have explained you these examples and the remaining ones, you have to do by yourself. Now concluding this chapter, we have an interesting activity. So look at this, read this. I will explain you. Don't worry, and you have to do this by yourself. Okay, so let's read. Names of countable and uncountable nouns are hidden in the crossword puzzle. Create the circle. Circle the countable nouns with green crayon and uncountable nouns with red crayon. How simple it sounds. Right, you have given a crossword puzzle and what you have to do is circle green circle countable nouns with green crayons and so students ये बहुत ही आसान एक्टिविटी है और काफी फन लविंग भी होगा आपके लिए। तो मैं आपको बता दूं इस क्रॉसवर्ड पजल में आपको हिडन वे में काउंटेबल नाउन वाले वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन वाले वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं। आपको क्या करना है वो ये है कि काउंटेबल वाले नाउन्स को आपको ग्रीन क्रेयॉन से कलर करना है एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स को आपको रेड क्रेयॉन से कलर करना है। एंड आई नो कलरिंग इज योर फेवरेट पार्ट। So that's it for today's class. We will meet in the next session with an exciting chapter. Until then, don't forget to revise. Thank you so much for today's class.